Hello everyone. My name is Osavo Cheruwa, an allied certified systemic family therapist. So, the reason why I bring that up specifically is that everybody who's practicing within the nation of Zimbabwe, even if you're training or license, you have other licensing from outside the nation, you still have to be licensed and certified for you to be eligible to practice within the nation of Zimbabwe. So today I'm just going to touch on the three systemic practitioners that I found in the mental health fraternity within the nation of Zimbabwe, because I've seen a lot of my patients and clients find it very, sometimes they find they need more clarity on that. So you'll find that I'm going to first talk about the systemic therapist and perinatal mental health. This is a practitioner whose scope of practice focuses and centers on the perinatal and maternal issues that are related to the woman's pregnancy issues, their emotions, their entire system, and how it is affecting them and the health perhaps of the unborn child. And then I'm going to also talk about the second one, that is the systemic family counselor. This again is a systemic practitioner who works with patients and individuals, but as a counselor. So you find that those individuals are working with people maybe from one session all the way to maybe 8 to 10 sessions, and sometimes they then refer to the systemic family therapist if these issues, or if the individual tends to have things like maybe unhealed childhood trauma or deeper seated or deeply rooted aspects. So what also do I mean by a systemic family therapist? A systemic family therapist, being the third, is the family therapist who works with a larger system but also is trained clinically, and has an extra 2 years of clinical training aside from what that found within the training of the counselor. So you find that is the reason why then the systemic counselor can refer to the systemic family therapist. But what again is a systemic practitioner? A systemic practitioner is one that is guided by the systemic theory that states that no man is an island and we are all systems. And within that system, that is where the problems are found, as well as the solutions. Again, I want to encourage you to find an allied certified practitioner. And this is something you can even ask your practitioner: are you allied certified and licensed? And is your licensing, is your uh, your certification actually